Arav, change requests are piling up. Your team is complaining of stress. What is happening?
Sir, we are trying.
Here is the recovery plan.
Sir, the scope, it keeps growing. Every week, new changes. I don't know where it went wrong.
You don't know? Arav, this is scope creep and it's eating your project alive.
Sir, your quarterly report, and pardon me, I couldn't help overhearing. Scope creep?
May I share how such situations can be managed? Please, Meera, go ahead.
First, catch it early. Rising change requests, slipping tasks, a stressed team, missed milestones. Your change logs and variance reports quantify it all.
Go on.
Then find the root cause. New regulations, technical surprises. Talk to stakeholders and understand why they keep asking for changes.
The why. I never asked the why.
Now control it. Go back to the original scope statement. Every change request passes through formal change control. Impact before it touches your plan.
Integrated change control. Exactly right.
Communicate the trade-offs to stakeholders. Negotiate, prioritize essential changes, defer or reject the rest.
Negotiate, not just absorb everything.
And prevent the next one. Define scope in detail from day one. Keep stakeholders involved. Tighten your change control criteria and hold regular scope reviews.
Flawless.
Is it really this simple to manage scope creep? I think I need a mentor to guide me.
Hey Meera, can you be my mentor? Sure, anytime. Learning always helps.